What's that figure, about 115? 120. Yeah, I was going to say that.
When the Isle of Man, didn't it?
Because at the moment, I mean, even on 24 to 1 going along the road, I'm blowing these now.
This will blow smoke when it's started about 2 to go slow.
As you can see, we've got a few entrants from the unofficial John's Road.
We would like some more to come and join us if possible. If there's any more motorbike and pedal cycle owners that would like to come and join us in the ring, if you'd like to make your way across towards us. Right, let's get started then. So we start down here at the bottom end with the Velocet motorcycle here. Good morning to you, sir.
Yeah.
So what can you tell us about this then?
It's a 1930.
When you pull that lever from there, that's essentially that's where you go. Then you're in a shop. low, wouldn't they? They're pretty short-legged people, yeah. Some of these blokes, they get on with it, right? This is all the things. Who's their own engine? Everything's their own engine? Yeah.
Don't go herring round the arena too fast. It is nice to see the motorbikes doing a good turn of speed, but unfortunately we do have to think safety, so tone it down just a little bit if you can. Thanks very much for coming along, and we look forward to seeing you all again tomorrow. Thank you. Right, vintage cars, or vintage car owners, if you could make your way across towards the arena for 10 minutes time, that's all vintage cars. Can you make your way into the arena in approximately... I have been handed a note. Auto Proud Polish, who are up there on the arena front, they're doing a demonstration of their Auto Proud polish for paint, chrome, glass, alloy and stainless steel. So if you'd like a demonstration of that, then pop along and see Auto Proud over on their stall at the side of the arena, and on many cars into the ring as possible, and give a display to the public that are wandering around and sat at the side of the arena here. So all vintage and classic car owner, you make your way across towards the arena for 12 o'clock. That's in approximately